Are you working as a software user for years now and looking for a career progression? Are you bored of being a call center support resource and would want to enhance your career? Do you like to work in the IT industry and bring your skills and technology together? Then you are in the right place. Any experience needs to be nurtured and sequenced in the right way to make perfect business sense. With about 15 plus years of business consulting experience for hundreds of businesses and entrepreneurs, and having trained more than 100 business analysts, we have put together this course for you. Business process understanding, basics of database management and cloud technologies, project management, and business communication soft skills are some basic modules of this course. This course helps you to put together a meaningful you and a purposeful thought about your career and profile. Enroll using the link below and talk to us to understand more about business opportunities, placements, and career progression that can be accelerated from this course.